What's up, y'all? Night's Edge here again, doing a quick little review of the Civivi Baby Banter knife. It's been out for a couple years, I think. Really good little fifth pocket carry overall for its size and everything. Great little knife. Gonna do some size comparisons and specs and all that here in a second. But before that, I just want to say thanks for watching the video. Subscribe to the channel if you're not already, and if you are, I do appreciate it. And hit the like button if you like what you see, and if you want more content, just keep watching. I appreciate it, guys. Anyway, this is the Civivi Baby Banter. A lot of different shapes, colors, steels, materials, and all that. As far as options go for buying this knife, it's designed by Baby Banters, I believe is his name. He also has the regular size Banter, which is a wee knife, and also the big Banter. So they're all pretty good designs, in my opinion. I haven't handled the big Banter or the Banter, but this is I'd like to one day. I just haven't had the opportunity to. This is the Baby Banter. So, quick little size comparison. Go ahead and pull the knife out so you guys can take a look at it. This is a micarta handle. And like I said, it comes in different, you can get like a stone wash, kind of like this blade, G10. This is micarta. You can get G10 handles. This is my micarta handle. I believe you can get it in the donut kind of colors, like the pink blade or light baby blue blade with the sprinkles on the handle and stuff. You can and Christmas time they came out with a kind of like a cream color and red handled one. So you can get in a lot of different variations. It is a definite evergreen knife that's been remade in a lot of different flavors. So go ahead and do size comparisons on it. You can see it's a small knife. That's a Spyderco Paramilitary 2, what I would consider a full-size knife. That's the Spyderco Para 3, closer to the size of the Para 3, but still the Para 3 dwarfs it in size. The Doug Ritter RSK MK1, way bigger than that. And the Hogue Deca, way bigger also. And let's see, I can get one more out. This is the only other knife that I have that's anywhere close to the size of this one that's not like a slip joint, you know, like a modern folder knife, I'd say. Mini Tough Light. I think I used the Baby Banter actually as a size comparison for the video for the Mini Tough Light. But the Baby Banter does have more presence, a lot more cutting edge on the Baby Banter. Pretty good little fifth pocket carry there. I'll show you guys why here in a minute. Go ahead and get the tape measure out. Get a measurement on this little guy. Alright, so from the tip of the blade all the way to the end of the handle on the knife, you're looking right at 5.5 inches. Blade length, you're looking at right at 2 3/8. Cutting edge right at 2 inches on the dot for cutting edge. Legal in a lot of places with knife laws that have blade length laws and stuff like that. So that's a good thing. Go ahead and do thickness. Kind of go into carry profile here. Get the calipers out. Handle thickness, about a little over 3/5 of an inch. Not really thick at all. Good size in my opinion. All right, so you go to the thickest part, tip at the end of the spine right there, right at 93 thousandths, 92 thousandths there. So about average, a little less than average actually, which is good for the size of it. 25 thousandths, closer behind the edge. 24.5 thousandths. You know, 26.5 thousandths closer to the tip. That's pretty good. That's not the sliciest knife ever invented, but also far, far away from being a bulky knife. So tapers down a good bit thanks to that real deep hollow grind that starts towards the top. I would call that a hollow grind because full flat would be that would be the whole it would be full flat coming off the top, so I would call that a hollow. Do weight, get the scale out here, do a quick little weight on this thing, let the scale zero out. So Civivi Baby Banter coming at right at 2 ounces. It's dead on the mark for ounce and inch ratio, which is really good. It's you barely know the thing's like in your pocket when you're carrying it. Put it on there again just to make sure. Yep, 2 ounces. Carry profile, carries really good. That's what you're looking at. Outside of the pants pocket, it's got a deep carry clip on it. Not the typical Civivi clip, little square bodied, not terribly pokey as far as sticking out. Not like their normal clips. It's got kind of a nice little stone wash on the clip. It says Banner on there. So I like that clip. Not my favorite clip, I guess, but pretty good pocket clip, especially for the knife. Now on little knives like that, like this one, excuse me, you'll notice that the pocket clip goes over halfway down. Now on a larger knife, that let's see, let me find an example here. Larger knife, you wouldn't really want that so much. Like on this one, it doesn't go halfway down, it's less than halfway down. Larger knife, you wouldn't really want a pocket clip that goes like 3/4 of the way down the knife, but on a smaller knife it's good to have because it kind of ensures that the knife doesn't come out of pocket. So do hardware check on this little guy here. Let's see, I got T6 in here, which surprisingly, yeah, okay, so pocket clip screw, yeah, pocket clip screw, if I can show it, use the Weehigh for my bits and drivers. T6 on the pocket clip, everything else is larger. I'm thinking T8, let me go ahead and verify that. Yep, T8 there. Awesome. So, well, that one's a T6, or that one's a T8 actually. So, could swap sides. It's got an ambidextrous pocket clip, but this clip here, or this screw here, I keep saying clip. This screw here is a T8, which is a good thing. The pivot T8 and the body screws T8. So, not really too much hardware on this thing. Aside from the pocket clip screws, you got 1, 2 on this side. You got the pivot there, so you got one second one on that side. So not bad at all. Minimal hardware, which is to be expected for a smaller knife. It's good that most of them are T8s, including the pivot. Wish the pocket clip screws would have, been T8s, but T6 isn't bad for pocket clip screw. Just gotta make sure you use good quality bits, which Weehigh, they make pretty good quality bits and drivers. I would recommend them. You can find them on Amazon, about 10-15 bucks. So, got the carry profile and kind of like all the specs and everything out of the way. This is a really good knife. I would recommend this knife kind of like for a desk knife or a 5th pocket carry if you're going to be opening smaller packages, stuff like that. For the steel on it, you got Nitro V, which I'm actually trying to find. Yeah, Nitro V says right there. Good steel, really good steel for a budget knife, and this is even for a lot of people would expect it to be cheaper because it's smaller, but this is right at a $60 knife unless you catch it on sale. If you're looking for a smaller knife that goes in your 5th pocket, and like I showed you with the pants pocket carries, pretty much all you're going to see is the clip sticking out. This is, in my opinion, the way to go. Flicks open easy. Thumb flip the thumb studs. Little liner lock. That's the lockout on it. It's a liner lock. Good texture on the micarta. Like I said, it comes in G10 and other stuff, but I'm just kind of speaking to what I know here. Let's see. I think it's got, it's got to have phosphor bronze washers. You have washers, I believe. Almost 100%. That's washers. But good ergonomics. I wear a large size glove, so I'd say I have like average hands for a grown man at least. So this is choked up on it. Your pinky kind of right there at the butt of it. Unless you got larger hands, which I could see how, it would be a little more difficult to use this knife. Jimping there, jimping underneath right there on that finger choil. That finger choil right there kind of makes the knife, really. Great blade shape on it. Guess you would consider that a drop point. Got a belly. A little belly that swoops up. Overall, for a 5th pocket carry for such a small knife, it's a really good little knife. I would recommend the knife. I'd recommend it over the Mini Tough Light, but then again, you got to keep in mind the Mini Tough Light is only about 26 bucks. So, good finish. It's contoured. You can see that kind of around the handles there. So, screws are sunk in, they're not poking out. You can tell it's pretty good quality on this little knife. Civivi always has, in my experience, pretty decent quality. So, that is the Civivi Baby Banter. Good little 5th pocket carry. Little envelope, small package opener. I wouldn't carry it if you're cutting rope or straps all day, but definitely a recommendable knife if it's like your travel carry or something that you want to take to a dinner. Kind of a knife that disappears in your pocket, which at the 2 ounces it definitely does, especially for the size of it. Good little knife. And that's about it. This is the Knight's Edge Civivi Baby Banter. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel if you aren't already. Like the video if you like it and want more content. Appreciate it, you guys. See y'all on the next one.